Today we're going to be comparing two switches for the brand new Lofree Flow 2. This is a beautiful keyboard from Lofree. My board came pre-installed with the silent switches, and we're going to be comparing them to the Surfer linear switches. We're going to pop out a few of these keys just now for a side-by-side comparison. Shout out to KeyMove for their spring-loaded switch puller. It saves my hands. That's the linear switch. Nice click to it. Silent switches are completely silent. Nice dock to the linear switch. It's pleasant, it sounds good. Silent switches are completely silent. The thock is nice, but I'm sticking to my silent switches.